Hello, everyone. Welcome to NobleMind Cast, where stories spark the mind and shape your future.
Hey, everyone. I'm Alex Rivers. Welcome to NobleMind Cast. Today, I want to share something that still gives me chills when I think about it. It's a true story about going from shy and quiet to speaking English with real confidence. And I know many of you are living this same story right now. So listen closely, my friend. This one is for you. Let me tell you about Mike. When I first met him 2 years ago, he was 24, living in a big city, but feeling so small inside. Mike grew up in a place where English was not spoken every day. In school, he understood some words, but when it was time to speak, he froze. His heart would beat fast, his face would get hot, and the words just wouldn't come out. He told me later, "Alex, I felt invisible. I wanted to make friends, I wanted a better job, I wanted to travel, but English held me back." He missed a promotion at work because he couldn't explain his ideas in the meeting. He skipped parties because he was scared someone would ask him a simple question like, "What do you do for fun?" And every night he would sit alone, feeling sad and stuck. But one morning, everything changed. Mike woke up and said to himself, "I am tired of being quiet. I am ready to grow." That was his turning point. He started super small, just like I always tell you. Every single day, he would put on his headphones and listen to short English podcasts, exactly like this one. He didn't try to understand every word, he just listened and repeated the easy sentences out loud. In the mirror, he would say, "Good morning, how are you today?" At first, it felt a little silly, but he smiled and kept going. Then he found one language friend online. They talked for only 10 minutes each day. Simple things. "What did you eat for breakfast?" or "How was your day?" Mike made mistakes, lots of them. But his friend never laughed. Instead, he said, "It's okay, keep speaking, I understand you." Those words gave Mike power. Week after week, something beautiful happened. His voice became stronger, his smile came easier. One day, he went to a real job interview. His hands were shaking, but he looked the manager in the eyes and spoke slowly and clearly. He got the job. The same evening, he called me, voice full of happy tears. "Alex, they understood every word I said. I feel free." That moment, my friends, is why I do this podcast. Learning English is not about being perfect. It is about being brave enough to try. Every small conversation, every podcast you finish, every time you speak, even when you feel nervous, you are writing your own success story. And you know what? Your story can be even better than Mike's, because you are here right now, listening, growing, believing. Start today. Listen every morning. Speak one sentence out loud. Find one person to talk with. Don't wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment is now. Imagine yourself 6 months from today, ordering coffee in English with a big smile, making new friends, getting that dream job, traveling and talking without fear. You can do this. I believe in you. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep believing in yourself. Your English journey is just beginning, and it is going to be amazing. I'm Alex Rivers. This is NobleMind Cast. Subscribe and see you tomorrow. Keep growing your mind.